In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and utilize Restream Studio effectively. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, this tutorial will help you seamlessly integrate overlays into your broadcast, giving your stream a polished and professional look. First things first, you need to log into your Restream account. It's a simple process if you're already a member. And once you're logged in, you can start a stream through the Studio interface. Depending on your needs, you might opt to create a brand new stream from scratch, or if you have something pre-scheduled, go ahead and edit an existing stream. Now that you're inside the studio, the next thing you want to do is find your way to the Design or Graphics tab. The name here might slightly vary depending on your interface, but the function is the same. This is where the magic happens, and where you'll get to personalize your stream's appearance to your liking. In the Graphics tab, focus on finding the Overlays section. Overlays are the graphics or images that sit on top of your live video feed, giving your stream that extra flair. If you already have a custom overlay designed and ready to go, now is the time to click that plus upload icon and bring it on board. A quick tip: make sure your overlay image is in PNG format with a transparent background. This allows it to look clean and integrated with your stream. The recommended dimensions for these files are 1920 by 1080 pixels, maintaining a maximum file size of up to 25 megabytes. This ensures quality while avoiding any upload issues. In the case you haven't prepared an overlay yet, don't worry. Restream Studio comes with a selection of built-in overlays you can use right away. Alternatively, if you want something that truly represents your brand, consider creating your own. Tools like Canva or Figma are incredibly user-friendly and can help you design a customized overlay efficiently. Once your overlay is either uploaded or selected, the next step is about activation. Find your chosen overlay in the list and simply click on it. This action will highlight the overlay, and by clicking Show or toggling it on, it'll seamlessly appear over your video feed. It's worth noting that you can easily toggle it off whenever it's not needed, allowing for flexibility in your broadcast dynamics. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enhanced your stream's visual appeal with overlays. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating engaging content for your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.